everyone. This is Matthias Mesfin from cs50 web programming Python and JavaScript, and this is project network being demonstrated. The first requirement is the ability to create a new post, and if you can create here, click here and create a new post, web design, some text over here. Let's just make a new post that's going to be part of my posts now. And the second requirement is the all posts page. In this, these are all posts in reverse chronological order with necessary details, every detail, the published date, and everything that you need, the title, the description, everything, the like count, everything is over here. The third requirement is a profile page. Clicking on any user's page should link me uh, to a page with these details and the ability to follow and unfollow that user. I can follow this user. I can go back and unfollow that user if I want to. So I guess the third requirement is satisfied. The fourth requirement would be the following is post requirement. The following is post requirement is a page with list of tweets, from my followings. So these are list of tweets from my followings. The fifth requirement is pagination. Pagination have been done for all pages which list posts. So if you go to the all posts, there is a post. So there is a pagination at the top and at the bottom of the list. So this is a quite good feature. It's applied for any page that have list of posts. The sixth requirement would be the ability to edit a post. If the system has two options to edit, you can have a dedicated page to edit your post, or you can just edit it over here. Right here, you can just make this to some text and make this to some text. Sorry for the misspellings. Let's just save it. It's for demonstration, so it's not changed. It's asynchronous JavaScript. So the seventh requirement would be the ability to like posts. If we can click here, it will be liked. It will also, I can unlike posts. This is all done asynchronously by JavaScript. Okay, I think the requirements are done, but I want to show you some more features that I have done. So the other feature that I want to show you is to edit my profile. If I click on my profile picture, and I can have the ability, I can actually change my profile picture over here, choose some profile picture which are cool, then update it. Now it's being updated. Or I can go to a dedicated page to edit my profile picture as well as my bio. So if I can change my bio from a smart to some bio. Okay, let's change it. So now my user bio has changed, and also this is the number of total likes that I get, and these are the list of people that have liked my tweets. So these people actually liked some of my tweets. That's why they are being listed over here. It's only going to show 10 profile pictures, because imagine if you have more than 10, it would not be convenient. So it's only going to show 10. Right now it's been showing only 7 users. Also, the other cool feature is suggestions. Suggestions has a cool feature. It's a cool feature. It shows users that I don't follow back, but they actually follow me. So that's why the system is telling me to follow them back since they follow me. If I can go to UC and follow user, or I can just click over here and follow back. So now he's part of my followings list. If I go to his page and I can unfollow, so now if I go to my followings, no more EO. Now he's back to my suggestions. But if I follow that user, he would not be part of the suggestions. He'd actually be part of the followings. So that's a cool feature. And not to mention, if you change the profile picture again, uh, you might think all the profile pictures are being stored and there would be some dead uh, images that are not linked to anything. So that's not actually true. The system would automatically detect profile changes, and it would actually delete old profile pictures when you actually change it. So that's a cool feature. There wouldn't be any dead images. So that's it. I would put the code in the description section. Thank you for your time. Have a good time. cs50. Thank you.